practicing reloading for 3-gun matches coming up in 2 months. This is my Mossberg 12 gauge 930 Jam Pro. I shot it in 1 match in the fall. Next matches are coming up in 2 months. I gotta practice. This is my TACCOM loader. Holds 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 rounds. My shotgun holds 10 in the tube plus 1 here. I'm just practicing reloading 9 right now. This is a double loader, dual loader. I'm pulling 2 off at a time. This isn't going to last long because there's a quad loader out on the market where you're pulling 4 off at a time. 2, 2, grab 4 more, 2, 2. But right now it's just 2. Go back 2 more. So I'll have my easy insert thing here. So this shell will be sitting on there like that, held in their place with a piece of plastic. I forgot what it's called. But anyways, you're done shooting, bang bang. The bolt's left open. You go to reload, you put that one in there. Reload 2 at a time. I'm starting to get halfway decent at this. I'm back in the game. Boom.